Hello mga ka-VA! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung step-by-step process kung paano gumawa ng content as a social media manager. At pag-uusapan din natin dito kung ano yung mga tools na gagamitin natin to create a content. Okay, so but before we start, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button below so that you're updated on the next videos na i-upload natin. So wag nating papatagalin pa, let's get started! So, hello guys, andito tayo sa ating screen. And now, let's start yung steps by step na ginagawa ko on how I create my contents. Okay guys, so let's assume na I already identify kung ano yung nature ng business ng client ko, ano yung product niya, at ano yung mga target audience. Okay, so first step na ginagawa ko is pupunta ako sa ChatGPT. So again guys, si AI ChatGPT is a tool na itong ginagamit ko on how I create the content. Okay, so this one, type lang natin yung prompt na kailangan natin to create the content. So, let's assume na yung product ng client ko is coffee shop business. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is nilalagay ko lang dito, act like you're an expert at social media, digital marketing, and create 15 days content in Facebook about coffee shop business. That includes the captions, 10 hashtags, theme, and hook. Then, for the go. Enter natin yan. And then, hayaan natin na mag-create si ChatGPT ng content natin for 15 days. And it depends on you kung gusto nyong hingiin yung the whole month, so pwede siya. Okay? Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And then, so after nyan, mabigay niya na, ang gagawin natin dyan, if tapos na, ilalagay na natin siya doon sa ating content calendar. So, ang gagamitin natin is spreadsheet or pwede nyo gamitin yung Excel. So, for me, ginagamit ko sa spreadsheet, dito ko nilalagay lahat ng content na nakuha ko para ma-organize. Okay, so ang purpose din ito is para ipapacheck natin kay client if approve yung mga content na ginagawa natin. So, this is how it look like. So, ito yung format, ito yung pagkasunod-sunod na ginagawa ko on how I create and organize the content. So first, nilalagyan ko siya ng date para hindi ko makalimutan, then platform, pwedeng wala na yan. Then the title, the caption, the visual, and also instruction, call to action, status, and the suggestion. So once na-approve na ng client yan, and ready for the posting na. So before ka mag-post, kailangan meron ka ng visual design or nagawa mo na yung inyong graphics design. So sana kung gumagawa ng aking graphics design, syempre kay Canva. So punta tayo kay Canva, yan po yung gagawin natin. Okay, so let's assume, na natapos na natin yung ating graphics design here. Kung makikita nyo guys, marami na akong ginagawang design. So lahat ng content na ginagawa ko is made of Canva. Okay, so let's assume na meron na tayong nagawang content ng ating client. Okay, for example, ito nagawa natin lahat. Ang gagawin natin, i-download natin siya. So once ma-download nyo na yan, so ilalagay na natin siya dito sa ating content calendar planner. So once malagay nyo na dito lahat ng content, ipapa-approve natin kay client if approve ba siya or hindi. For example, this one. If makita natin na approve, so it means ready to post na yung content na ginagawa natin. Okay? And then, the third one na gagamitin natin for scheduling post tools is si Buffer. So punta tayo kay Buffer here. And also guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang tools kasi maraming scheduling tools na pwede nyo magamit like Hootsuite, Metrical, and also sa Spot Socials, and many more. Okay, so sa akin, yung for the content natin ngayon is gagamitin natin si Buffer. And then, dito gagawa na tayo. Kailangan i-connect natin yung mga account ng ating client. So for example, let's assume na na-connect na natin yung account ng ating client, the channels, and create post. So dito tayo mag-create ng post. So i-check lang natin dito kung anong socials yung gagamitin natin para sa posting na ito. For example, sa IG. Okay? And then, kukunin natin yung content na ginagawa natin. For example, ito yon. So, yung caption niya, kakopy natin caption and hashtags. Yung nandito lahat. Ayan. Caption and hashtags yan. And then, ilalagay na natin siya dito kay Buffer. Then, copy-paste. So, attach tayo ng ating graphics. For example, ito yon. Let's assume na yan po yung ginagawa natin. So, wait natin yung mag-loading. And makikita natin yung preview ng ating content na ginagawa. For example, yan yan. And then, scroll down tayo, click natin yung arrow, and then mag-schedule post tayo. Okay? So, schedule post, and then dito ka na mag-set kung anong araw mo siya ipapublish. For example, on Thursday, 4, and then anong oras mo siyang ipapublish. Okay, 8 in the morning, AM and PM. And then, check na lang dito, then, ayan, i-share nyo lang siya. Then, pag okay na yung lahat, then schedule post. Okay? So once tapos na, okay na yung content natin, naka-schedule post na yan, then wait na lang natin on the other day, magpapublish na po yung ginagawa nating content. So yun lang yung process on how I create a content on my clients. So I hope meron kayo natutunan. And before we end this video, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button below para updated pa tayo sa mga susunod na videos na gagawin natin. So thank you guys and have a blessed day.